From the station that's on your side, this is Channel 7 News at 10.
It was instantaneous. The moment we topped that hill and we saw the headlights. I mean, I saw them, and I guess I just automatically tried turning to the right, and that was it before impact.
It's been more than a week now since a wrong-way driver collided with a MEMS ambulance on Interstate 40. Tonight, the medic driving that ambulance speaking out, recalling what led up to that crash. Channel 7's Mandy Rock joins us now with his long road to recovery. Mandy?
Beth, as you may remember, that collision killed that young woman driving the wrong direction and injured 2 medics. MEMS EMT Paul Sanchez was driving that ambulance, and tonight he's turning that tragedy into a teaching moment. With a passion for saving lives and helping others, 22-year-old Paul Sanchez never imagined he would end up a patient at Baptist Rehabilitation Institute.
Is that hard or easy? That was easy.
But he remembers exactly how he got here.
Me and my partner, Darius, were heading back in from out-of-town transport when about the Morgan Maumelle exit. We were just going uphill, and the moment we topped the hill, we saw the headlights.
Sanchez says he tried to swerve out of the driver's way, but it was too late. That impact flipping the ambulance, pinning Sanchez's leg inside the vehicle. Even so, his first priority was to check on his partner, Darius Williams.
At first, I was a little scared when I was first calling for him and he wasn't responding. But then once he finally responded back, I knew that at least we'd be somewhat okay.
Both men were rushed to the hospital. Thankfully, Williams was treated and released, but it could be months before Sanchez fully recovers. He's suffering from 2 breaks to his left femur and 2 breaks to his right heel.
Yeah, it's a bump in the road, but I know I can overcome it. I've kept a good attitude, and I plan on keeping a good attitude through it.
The reality of his situation surreal. Sanchez hopes to get back to work soon, but this experience giving him new appreciation for those who may have gone through something similar.
Just knowing that I've been through it, and I'll be able to kind of translate that to them, that they'll be able to recover.
And he certainly has a good attitude, and Sanchez says his heart goes out to the family of that young woman who lost her life that day. Chris.
All right, Mandy Rock for us tonight. Mandy, thank you so much. Sanchez is expected to be released on Friday.